Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick guide on how to log in to Truist Online Banking. If you're a Truist customer, accessing your account online is a breeze and can save you tons of time. Whether you're checking balances, transferring funds, or paying bills, getting logged in is the first step. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it confidently from your phone, tablet, or computer. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have a few things ready. A stable internet connection, your Truist username, and your password. If you haven't set up online banking yet, you'll need to do that through the app or website first, but assuming you're all set, we're good to go. Step 1. Open your web browser or the Truist mobile app. For the website, head to www.truist.com on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Once the page loads, look for the Login button. It's usually in the top right corner of the homepage. It's hard to miss. Step 3. Click or tap on Login, and you'll be directed to the secure login page. Step 4. Enter your username in the first field. This is typically the email or ID you set up during enrollment. Step 5. Type in your password in the next field. Remember to use strong, unique passwords for security. Step 6. If Truist has two-factor authentication enabled for your account, you'll receive a code via text, email, or an authenticator app. Just enter that code when prompted. Step 7. Finally, hit the Login button, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Easy, right? Now, if you ever forget your password, don't panic. There's a Forgot Username or Password link on the login page. Click it. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and reset your details securely. A few quick tips. Always log in from a trusted device and a secure Wi-Fi network to protect your information. And remember to log out when you're finished, especially on shared devices. There you have it. Logging into Truist Online Banking is straightforward and secure. Give it a try, and you'll be managing your finances in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.